Struggling to grow your email list? Having a small email list is costing you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month. Let's take a 1% versus a 5% pop-up, for example. It shouldn't be too much of a difference, right? Let's take a sample size of 100,000 monthly visitors. So after 30 days, you should have 1,000 subscribers from that 1% pop-up and 5,000 from the 5% pop-up. Over the course of 12 months, that 1% pop-up has only gotten you 12,000 subscribers versus 60,000 subscribers from the 5% pop-up. With an average benchmark of 50 cents of revenue collected per email subscribed, we're looking at about $6,000 only generated with a 1% pop-up and $30,000 generated over a 5% pop-up. So 24 grand of missing revenue if you have a low performing pop-up. Think of your pop-up as a car driving down the road. The car itself is the pop-up offer, what you're showing to everyone that's visiting your website. Where you drive the car is the traffic, which is who's seeing the pop-up and who's seeing the offer that you're putting out. And lastly, the modifications that you make to your car to make it faster, perform better, are the A/B tests that improve the performance and the revenue of your pop-up. Simply put, you want to drive a Lambo of pop-ups in Beverly Hills rather than a Nissan Altima in the hood. I'll be showing you the exact offers, traffic, and tests that we run to get more email subscribers through the door for our clients. And I'll even be showing you our best performing pop-ups and why they work. I'm Nikita, and I run an email marketing agency doing this day to day. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Start working on your Lambo offer. Don't make this more complicated than it needs to be. As Alex Hormozy says, simple scales, fancy fails. So we want to go on the simple route here. And our offers typically land in 3 different spots. We have free stuff, which is, free resources, lead magnet. It could be a free add-on to your product that you're selling or a free gift.
It's free real estate.
Any sort of free stuff is going to get a lot of people through the door. Next up is deals. So this could be your 10% off, $10 off, free shipping, buy one, get one. These deals drive conversions because people are looking to get more deals and trying to squeeze every dollar that they have to the maximum. And then lastly, we have exclusivity. This is having access to exclusive things that your company offers. This could be exclusive sales, exclusive product drops, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, early access, having access to a specific VIP club. All of these things add exclusivity and value to a customer that is not physical or tangible, but is just having the rights. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into the traffic side of things and how we're going to get people to visit and actually convert into email subscribers. So there are a few main ways that you can get email subscribers onto your email list. The first one is paying for it. You have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads that are lead gen forms. And these are forms that are embedded specifically within the Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok feed where people can see the offer and subscribe if they're interested. So if you have a lead magnet or an ebook or one of those sorts of things, this is perfect for your business. Next up is embedding forms on blogs, landing pages, and any important pieces of content on your website. This could be something contextual to what is on the website. So for example, here we have a recipe blog with an email opt-in right next to the recipe that shows us, hey, do you want to see more recipes like this? Subscribe and get recipes in your inbox directly. It's easy for people to sign up because it's right there. They're already looking at recipes, they might as well subscribe. The next one is site-wide pop-ups. And essentially what this does is it pops up when a visitor's on your website and basically you have the offer shown, and if people are interested, they put their email in and then they get that offer. And then last one is giveaways. Now this one is a little bit tricky because you will get a lot of people signed up, but the most important thing is when you're using giveaways, you want to make sure that everyone that does sign up, they go through some sort of automation to teach them more about the brand, teach them more about what you're doing, what you're selling, and essentially trying to convert as many of those people that are in the giveaway as possible into a paying customer. Let's modify your Lambo offer to the best performance. The best way to do this is to set up different A/B tests for the pop-ups that you're running or for the opt-in messaging that you're offering. There's a few things that you can do in order to maximize the amount of email subscribers coming into your list. One of the easiest things you can do is if you're collecting both phone numbers and emails, you would want to run those into 2 separate steps. The first step being the email and then the second step being an SMS number. People that have already submitted their email are more likely to give up their phone number because they've already submitted the email. And essentially we want to take advantage of that here because if you have, your name, phone, your email, all of these forms are very overwhelming, and that's going to reduce your conversion rate for people signing on to your email list. The next test that you can run, and I've already brought this up, but having a contextual specific opt-in or pop-up onto a specific page. Just like how we have the recipes with that opt-in there, we can have a specific pop-up maybe on a collection that you have. So if you're selling clothing and you have a specific shoe collection, you can say like, hey, get info on the next shoe drop here, and then you have the opt-in pop up, and they're more likely to subscribe because it's very contextual to what they're shopping for. Next up is timing. So timing is everything. There's multiple options that you can go about this, and within Klaviyo, for this example, you can either have a specific time trigger or you can have a specific percentage of the page scrolled. But typically what's worked best is testing out between immediate 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Or you can have it go through a scroll. So if someone scrolled through 25% of your homepage, or 50%, or 75%, you can have the pop-up fire then. Next thing you can test is having a teaser or no teaser. It's just a pre-pop-up, or having a little blurb at the bottom of the page saying like, hey, get 10% off, so you're on the radar of the person. So if they close out of the pop-up, they can still see that little teaser at the bottom of the page. The next one is having just different offers. So you can test out 10% off versus $10 off, or 10% off versus free shipping. You can set up these simple A/B tests, and that's just another way that you can test out specifics of the pop-up and see which one performs the best. Lastly, the desktop versus mobile pop-ups. So one thing to keep in mind is if you have all of your pop-ups all in one, you can split those up into one just desktop only and one mobile only, and that mobile only could convert at a higher rate than the desktop one because it's easier to subscribe to someone's email or SMS list. Now let's jump into some pop-up examples. First one we have here is from one of our clients in the arts and crafts niche. Here it's submitting at a baseline of 4.9%, so it's about 5% pop-up submission rate. And what makes this really, really good is it's a 4-step pop-up. We have a teaser, email submission, SMS submission, and a thank you page. So let's go through it here real quick. So we have a secret offer, and secret mystery is causing a lot of curiosity for the customer. People are curious naturally, so they want to see what's behind the wall. We kind of have an illusion of choice here. So no matter what color they pick, they're going to get the same offer, but they select something, they're more likely to submit their info on the actual pop-up itself. And we also make it hard to say no. So instead of like close, we have I don't want to see this offer. So it's like, well, I actually kind of want to see what it is. So let me click on one of these paint buckets. Next up, we have an easy to understand offer. Nice, you got 10% off. So little thumbs up. And then we also have a contextual CTA of put your email address in and get access to the 10% off coupon code. Then we have a SMS sign up of join the painters club. So you can join club if you are a painter or if you want to be part of the painting club and get access to exclusive deals when you sign up. So again, adding in that exclusivity that people that join the SMS list get specific exclusive deals when they sign up. And then lastly, we have the thank you page. So here's your 10% offer. Here's the code. Now, if you click that shop now button, that same code is embedded into a collections page. It redirects them to a collections page. When someone adds to cart and they go to checkout, they don't have to look through their email, or they don't have to remember the code. So it's automatically embedded. Next up is a dental brand. So here it has a 10% pop-up rate. So it's really, really good for the industry and a really good email capture engine as a whole. Now, what made this work is we have mystery offer. Again, claim your special offer. We're not specifying a number. We're not specifying what they're getting. We also have some social proof at the bottom of see why hundreds of customers are raving about Retainers Direct. And we're also making it hard to say no of, no, I don't want the special offer. I'm passing. I don't want free money, essentially. Next up, after they submit, we have a basic welcome message of like, hey, welcome to Retainers Direct. Here's your offer. Use the code SMILE10 for 10% off your purchase. And then we have the code embedded again into that shop now button. Now, lastly, this is an example of a freebie giveaway. This is a brand called Mossy Oak. During peak turkey season, we turn on this pop-up and their form submission rate is 46%. Now, this is very serious because almost 1 out of every 2 people that visit the website put their email address in to subscribe. Now, how does this work? People in the hunting space need targets to practice with. So we're giving away free turkey targets. All you have to do is just download the PDF, print them out, and you're good to go. We also have a contextual CTA of send my targets. These are my targets, send them to me. We also have a visual demo of what the targets look like, and we only turn this on during turkey season, so it's very contextual to turkey season. So you can see when you combine all of these crazy things together, you have a very highly converting pop-up because of the right time, right place, right messaging, and the right visuals. And then at the end, we have a little confirmation that says your targets have been sent. Check your email. And then lastly, shop turkey gear. If you're interested in getting turkey targets, you're more than likely interested in getting more turkey gear, getting ready for the turkey hunting season. So it goes right to the turkey collections page. It's genius. Now, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe down below. And I think you'll like this video right here as well. So go ahead and click on that and check that video out. I'll see you in the next one.